time on the Low Boost Garage, we finished the cold side and the exhaust on the E36 LS Turbo build. So, cue the intro. Down some third wheel. In order to mount the intercooler, we have to build a bracket to hang it from the top and bolt from the bottom. In addition to that, I am going to run an oil scavenge pump because the turbo is mounted so low, and I'm going to mount that behind the bracket that we're making for the intercooler.
You look so silly.
It's gonna protect me. I don't give a shit. I don't give a shit. You can film all you want. I'll even take a selfie. I don't care. So intercooler's on and tacked up. It's gonna be tight, but it looks pretty.
Just like your mouth.
Yeah. Wait, what?
Just like your mouth, boy.
Here's the beginnings of the cold side here. This is actually gonna go right into the intake there and come down and feed down to the intercooler. Turbo, we got the nice front mount, everything's mounted up. Still gotta do the little ridges on the piping to get it all together right so it won't blow off under boost, but IAT sensor bung, I'm in. So cold side's essentially done. Yeah. So trying to crush this pipe totally broke their vise. So we had to take a quick trip to Harbor Freight to get a new one. Should have bought oval pipe, right?
Yeah, those are pre-crushed.
I'm just cheap. This was $60 for the 10-foot section. So if we got to stand on this to make it work, we're gonna make it work. Let it rip, tater chip.
$60 is $60, my friend.
Right.
Oh, on this side too?
Yeah. All right.
Yeah. Doing quick little tiny taps. There's gonna be something for a gap. It's tight over. Yeah.
downpipe going up over the subframe. Got a V-band there. We had to crush this. It just comes down a little bit. That's gonna be pretty flush at the bottom of the car. Now we're working on the exhaust out the back. That's what we're doing, the wideband. And Justin decided to do a flex pipe here. It's gonna be a little bit easier to maneuver as we do the exhaust out the back. Oh, we got a cutout.
Oh, it's 16 inches away from the start of the exhaust manifold? Yeah, 16.
Good? Yeah, you can all right.
Charge pipe is on.
Yeah, she's gonna be a leaky one, but we'll see if she whistles.
So the turbo is in fact leaking oil out of the back of it. I've got to try to diagnose and see what the heck's going on with it. I think the scavenge pump that we had to use is actually higher than the oil return, so we have to move that down maybe an inch just to get the oil to go there. The oil drain is actually basically level with the oil return on the block, so running a scavenge pump is the best way to get that oil, that hot oil out of there back into the oil pan. So we're gonna try to move that around and see if that makes it work. It's a brand new turbo, so it really shouldn't be getting screwed up. Fingers crossed, that's the only thing. I just got to finish welding up the rest of the exhaust, and hopefully we can get this thing out and driving it. You guys have made it this far watching my 11th episode of the E36 LS turbo build. Make sure you guys like and subscribe because I got a lot more stuff coming. More stuff with the M235. We got some other projects we're going to be starting later in the summer. So make sure you guys stay up to date on all of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.